do that the other day to see if that was like even comfortable. It is so uncomfortable. I don't know how he does that.
Milo. Milo.
You're a weirdo. Weirdo. Look at all that space under there. It's just a big gap. You're silly.
This is Milo's favorite position on the floor. Head extended backwards.
He's moving like
kicking
that.
his legs. He will soon be up here.
He's a weirdo.
He was underneath that chair yesterday because he had done this until he got underneath
across
the chair.
the floor. It's like
Yeah.
he's gonna move like
Back. He's going to do the back.
that. With your head. With your head.
Milo. Come on.
Look at him
See,
pushing.
he's pushing his feet
Are you
off.
kidding me? What a weirdo. You're a silly little baby. He is.
Milo.
He's pushing his legs back. How funny.